good morning everyone. I am back with another Fix the Error video. Well, code challenge. I hope everyone is having a great day. Let's go ahead and get started with the instructions. I will leave a link down in the description in case you guys want to check out the platform. It has a lot of great benefits. So the problem today is the code is supposed to return the second largest number in the list. However, it is currently not working as intended. Identify and fix the error. And they give us a function here called second largest, which takes in the number as the parameter. We see they have two variables, one called largest number that is set to the max number in the list, and then they have a second largest variable that is also set to the max number in the list. They're doing a loop with a few conditions here, and then they are attempting to return the second largest. They give us the list here of the numbers, and then they are printing out the return value of their function with the list passed in as an argument. I think the first thing we should do is run the actual code and see what the error is itself. So let's go ahead in the terminal here. Let's go ahead and run this file and see what we are getting. We are getting 5, which is the largest number. So they say they are expecting us to get 4, which would be the second largest. So let's look through the code and try to make sense of what they're actually doing here. You guys can pause it here and see if you can figure out what the error is. I'm going to stop and ponder over this a little bit and see what's going on. And I'll be back, guys. Alright, I'm back, everyone. I hope everyone was able to figure it out and come up with a solution on their own. Here is how I solved the problem. When they had the second largest set to max numbers, only thing I had to do was change that to 0. And that is how I fixed the issue. Let me go ahead and run that to show you guys. And we are getting 4 back as the return value. One thing that helped me was actually grabbing the notebook and visualizing the loop they created so I can see how they had it working. And the only thing I wanted to adjust was one of the pointers, and that is how I came up with my solution. Let me know what you guys changed to fix it, and let me know if you have any tips for me, even though this isn't my code. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.